Welcome to the Mastercam 2018 MilEssentials video training series tutorial number 7. In this tutorial, we will create the 2D geometry needed to create the toolpaths. Geometry creation commands such as circle center point, line tangent, line parallel, rectangular shapes, trim, and fillet chains will be used. We will create a solid using solid extrude, chamfer, and fillet commands. We will then select a machine definition and set up the stock. A 2D high-speed dynamic mill toolpath will be used to machine the pockets. The feature-based drill toolpath will be used to machine the 4 holes. A 2D high-speed dynamic mill toolpath will be used to machine the outside profile. A pocket toolpath will be used to finish the pocket walls. A contour toolpath will be used to finish the outside profile. Backplot will be used to simulate a step-by-step process of the tool's movements. Verify will be used to watch a tool machine the part out of a solid model. We will then post-process the file to obtain an NC file containing the necessary code for the machine. First, we will use the Circle Center Point command. Select the wireframe tab and click on Circle Center Point. Change the radius to 1 inch and press Enter. Select the fast point icon and enter the coordinates -1.25, 0 and press Enter. Press the lock icon to lock the diameter. Then press the fast point icon and enter the coordinates 1.25, 0 and press Enter. Then press OK to exit the command. We will now create a line tangent to the 2 arcs. Select line endpoints. Ensure freeform is selected and tangent is enabled. Select the first arc here and then select the second arc. Press OK to exit the command. We will now create a line parallel to this one. Select line parallel. Select the line and then choose somewhere below it. Change the type to selected side. Set the offset distance as 1.7 inches and press Enter. Press OK to exit the command. We will now trim the entities. Select Trim Break Extend and change the method to Trim 3 Entities. Select the first entity here, the second entity here, and then select this arc over here. Repeat the process, selecting this arc. Then press OK to exit the command. We will now create rectangular shapes. Click the arrow under Rectangle and select Rectangular Shapes. Set the origin to center. Set the width to 0.275 and the height as 0.75 and press Enter. Then select the center point of the arc. Press OK and create new operation. Change the rotation angle to 90 degrees and press Enter. Then lock the height and width. Select the center point. Then press OK to exit the command. We will now trim the entities. Select Trim Break Extend and enable Divide Delete. Select the lines inside the rectangles. Then press OK to exit the command. We will now fillet the chains. Click the arrow under Fillet Entities and select Fillet Chains. Select the chain and press OK. Change the radius to 0.075 and press Enter. Press OK to exit the command. We will now create 2 oblong shapes. Click the arrow under Rectangle and select Rectangular Shapes. Change the type to oblong Make sure the origin is set to center, and unlock the width and height. Change the width to 0.45 and the height to 0.2. Change the rotation angle to 35 degrees and press enter. Then, lock the width and height. Press the fast point icon and enter the coordinates 0, 0.25 and press enter. Select the fast point icon and enter the coordinates 0, minus 0.25 and press enter. Then press OK to exit the command. Now we will create 4 1/4-inch diameter holes. Select Circle Center Point. Unlock the radius and diameter and change the diameter to 0.25 and press enter. Then, lock the diameter. Click on the fast point icon. Enter the coordinates as 1.25 minus 0.4, 0 and press enter. Click the fast point icon again. Enter the coordinates 1.25 plus 0.4, 0. Click on the fast point icon. Enter the coordinates as 1.25, 0.3. Then click the fast point icon again. Enter the coordinates as 1.25, minus 0.3 and press enter. Then press OK and create new operation. Unlock the diameter and change it to 0.4375 and press enter. Then lock the diameter. Select the center point of this circle. Press OK and create new operation and select the center point of this circle. Then press OK to exit the command. Next, we will set the level. Select the Levels Manager and give this level the name Wireframe. Change the level number to 2 and change the name to Solid. Then click the Home tab. Level 2 should be the selected level. Click the arrow next to the solid color selection and change the color to red. We will now extrude the base of the solid. Select the Solid tab and click on Extrude. Change the view to isometric. Select the chain here. Then select these 4 circles and press OK. Change the direction so the solid is extruded down. Ensure the type is set to Create Body and the distance is set to 0.5. Then press Enter. Then press OK to exit the command. Unshade the solid geometry. Select Extrude again and change the view to top. Select this chain, these oblong shapes, and the 2 outer circles. Then press OK. Change the type to Cut Body and change the distance to 0.25 inches and press Enter. Then press OK to exit the command. Click on the X in the visible column next to level 1 and reshade the geometry. Click on the Solid panel. Click the plus sign next to Solid and you should see 2 operations. Next, we will chamfer the 4 holes. Change the view to isometric and then select one distance chamfer. Change it so that only edge is selected. Then select the edge of these 4 holes. And press OK. Enable Propagate Along Tangencies and set the distance to 0.025 inches and press Enter. Then press OK and fit to screen. We will now fillet the edges. In the Solids tab, select Constant Fillet. Change the selection so that only Edge is selected. Then, select these edges and press OK. Change the radius to 0.125 inches and press Enter. Then press OK to exit the command. Change your view to top and fit to screen. Then save your work.